Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I'm coming to you live and comfortable from my bathroom. I know I have been gone for a long time. I think it's been like a month since I've uploaded, and I will tell you it has not been intentional. There's just been a lot going on in my life. I'm going to make a separate video just updating you guys and letting you know what's been going on. I've just been so busy with just everything. But today I thought I would come back and introduce myself to all my new subscribers. Thank you guys so much for getting me to 100 subscribers. That was my goal like all along, but I reached 104. I'm at 104 subscribers and I couldn't be happier. I'm glad that you guys have found my channel and you guys subscribed. I hope you liked the videos that I've already put out, and I hope you went back and watched some of those. Yeah, where should I start? Next week's video, I'm going to update you guys on my 3-month results using Sulfur 8. So that video will be out next week. Today's video, I thought I would just make like a little cooking video. So I'm going to explain to you guys what I'm going to do, and then when I show you the video, or when I actually do the cooking, I'm not going to be speaking. I'm just going to be doing things and showing you guys what I'm doing. I have never made enchiladas ever in my life. I do eat them. I love Mexican food. I love like Mexican food and Chinese food. Those are like my favorite things to eat. So yeah, let me just show you guys what I have that was already in my pantry. I have to go grocery shopping next week, so I just like looked inside the cabinets to see what I had and what I could make out of what I already have. And I have a can of enchilada sauce, so I was like, what could I do with this? And then I still have some tortillas left over from when me and my fiance, or my fiance and I, made some tacos. I made myself tofu tacos, and I made him like just regular tacos. And I have some Spanish rice, and then I have some corn. I got like 5 bags of frozen corn in the freezer, so I was like, I need to make something with this corn. But I'm gonna make, oh, and I also have a can of black beans. So I'm just gonna show you guys everything and then basically just explain to you what I plan on doing. It's gonna get dark. So let me get everything out and show you what I plan on doing. Okay guys, so this is everything that I have. This is obviously not enough cheese for the enchiladas, so I have some sharp cheddar cheese that I plan on like just cutting up and putting it in there. I have a yellow onion that I have not used the whole month. I used my purple onion. This is the red enchilada sauce that I was telling you guys about. I have a couple tortillas. They're good until September, so I thought I would go ahead and use them. There's only, I don't know how many is even in here. I got a can of black beans. This is my breakfast for tomorrow. And then I also have the Spanish rice, and I can't decide if I want to use corn on the cob or the actual corn, but I think I'm going to go with this corn just because I have so much of it and I need to take it out the refrigerator. Like I said, we don't have a lot of stuff in the freezer. This is my frozen breast milk since I breastfeed. And I think that's pretty much it. That's all I'm going to put in there. So let me just give you guys a game plan. I'm thinking about cooking the Spanish rice and cooking up the black beans, and then also tossing some onion in there. And then after I cook it all, I'm gonna roll it up into the enchiladas and then put the sauce over the top of it, and then some shredded cheese, and just pop it in the oven until the cheese melts. And I'm gonna put the enchiladas, you know, as my main entree, and then some corn on the side. And like I said, I've never made this before. I just looked inside my pantry and seen it, and I was like, that sounds like something that I could eat. I don't know. So yeah, I'll come back later whenever I actually start cooking the food, and then show you guys the whole process and what everything looks like. And then after I put the baby to bed and all that, I'll go ahead and do like a little taste test with you guys and tell you what I thought about it, because this is all experimental. So I'll see you guys later. Okay guys, it is now 10:15 p.m. This is what time I usually start making dinner. I know it is like super late, but this is just what time works for me. I usually eat breakfast at like 10, lunch at 5, and then have like a second lunch at like 7, and then eat dinner at 10 o'clock at night. Or that's what time I start cooking dinner. I usually don't eat until 11, and then I take a shower and I'll be in bed around 12. So that's just my routine. I know most people will eat dinner at like 5 or 7, but hey, do whatever works for you. I decided to make some enchiladas for my fiance also. I'm gonna put ground beef inside of his instead of black beans. So mine is gonna be the rice and the black beans, and his is gonna be ground beef and rice together, and I'll just put them both in separate pans so that I don't eat his accidentally. I think that's pretty much it. The baby is now sleeping, so like I told you guys earlier, I'm not gonna be talking in this video. I'm just gonna prop the camera up and then cook the food and then come back to you at the end and then do a little taste test and let you guys know how the food tasted. So yeah, let's get started. Okay guys, I hope you can see me okay. If you can hear my daughter in the background, she's still awake and it is 11:33. So like I said guys, I usually don't eat dinner until 11. I start cooking at 10. It was 10:16. It's now 11:33. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try this. It looks so much better than I thought it was. The only thing I would have done differently is if I had some tomatoes, which I hate tomatoes, but I think if I cook them inside of the enchiladas, it would be good. I would add tomatoes and bell pepper, and I think it would have made it like that much better. But let me go ahead and try it and let you guys know what I think. I hope you can see me. Let's try the corn first. I already know what the corn tastes like. Taste your food when you're cooking it. The corn is good. Sister, if you're watching this, I hope you can't hear me chewing. My sister always talks about the way that I chew. She said it sounds like I'm swishing water in my mouth. But let's get to the real reason. It's really cheesy. It's good, guys. I think this was successful. I think I'm gonna buy these ingredients again, except the corn, because I still got 4 bags left. I'll buy some more tortillas, some more black beans. What else did I put in here? But this time I'll make it with some bell peppers and some, what did I say? Some tomato. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you decide to try this recipe, please leave it down in the comments below and let me know what you would have done differently. If you think this is good or if you want to do something else, just let me know. Thank you guys for watching it. If you made it all the way to the ending, please give me a thumbs up. And please give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in next week's video. Bye.